Good afternoon. My name is Rhonda Baldwin Kennedy. I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to present my comparative effectiveness research study design for drug X to you. I am sure you've received numerous presentations on other research or study design. However, I am confident after my presentation here today, you will go with my research team. First, in putting together our research design, we needed to determine whether to use a non-experimental or an experimental research design. A non-experimental design describes a phenomenon, predicts a phenomenon, or provides a static picture of what people are thinking, feeling, and doing at any given time. And the category of the non-experimental designs are a descriptive or correlational, versus an experimental design, which attempts to explain a phenomenon. And as a researcher, we're able to maintain more control over the environment. Variables can easily be manipulated, and the categories for an experimental design are true experimental and quasi-experimental. The proposed study. The purpose of the study is to determine whether the new drug X is more effective than the existing drug. This experimental research aims to explain if the drug X is better than the existing drug. The appropriate research design that we chose is experimental for the following reasons. We can control the environment and the variables. We are limited on variable manipulation. We can manipulate one key variable in order to create a dependent and independent variable for comparison later. The proposed methods of the study is we would take 100 participants who are currently on the existing drug, and those individuals may still show some symptoms of schizophrenia. Volunteers will be referred by their prescribing doctors. The procedure was we'll take 50 participants who will continue on the existing medication and be monitored. Then the other 50 participants will take drug X. We will collect the data from the participants. They'll come in once a week to be assessed for symptoms that were indicated in their medical history. They will also be monitored for any potential side effects. The data analysis we'll use is a standard t-test. By using the standard t-test, we'll be able to describe the differences between the two groups at the conclusion of the study. The second part of my presentation, we're going to go over my hypothesis, how I'm going to collect the data, and how we're going to calculate the statistics. We're also going to compare to a critical value, and at the end, I hope you can make an informed decision. Thank you all again for the opportunity to present my presentation.